So now let us go to our first and most important conic section, which is the parabola. So what is a parabola? As we have already seen, parabola is a conic whose eccentricity is equal to 1. That is, SP by PM is equal to 1, or SP has to be equal to PM. So the locus of points whose distance from this point and distance from this line are equal is called a parabola. So let us say that S is the focus and L is the directrix. So how does a parabola look like? To understand this, first let me draw the axis. So now, is there a point on this axis which satisfies this condition? Yes. If you take the midpoint of this part, then the distance of P from S will be exactly equal to the distance of P from the line. Hence, P is always present on the parabola. Now, if you try to sketch or extend this curve or try to understand the path of this point, so how does the point move? Will the point move straight up? Suppose that this point moves straight up. So as you can see, this distance increases and this distance does not increase. So the equality of SP and PM gets disturbed. That means the path is not completely vertical. So how should the path move? As you go up, obviously this length increases. So this length also has to slightly increase. So you get a point somewhere towards the focus. You have to go towards the focus and away from the directrix. Now, as you move here, so the slant length has slightly increased and the perpendicular distance also has slightly increased. Now, if you go to this point, so SP and PM, so this length and this length. So this point moves such that both the lengths are equal. So this curve will always move up. So this curve will never come down. And symmetrically, from above axis, you can also have symmetric points below the axis. So you have a curve which looks something like this. So a U-shaped curve which moves away from the directrix. Remember this. Parabola looks like a U-shaped curve which goes away from the directrix and which meets the axis at the midpoint of XY. So this is how a parabola looks like. And if the point is x1, y1, if the directrix is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the equation of this parabola is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to ax plus by plus c by root of a square plus b square whole square. So this is the equation of the parabola whose focus is x1 y1 and the directrix is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Thank you.